Hello viewers, today I am going to replace the battery of this JBL Flip 3 wireless Bluetooth speaker. The battery backup of this speaker is very less. Even after fully charged, it is coming around 10 minutes. So I am going to replace the battery with this battery. This is the new battery I have. This is the equivalent battery, almost similar specification. 3000 mAh you can see here and 3.7 volts. Actually I have tested this battery personally by recharging and discharging. This gives around 3200 mAh at 1 amps discharge. So this is far better than the given specification here. 3000 is the written specification. I am getting around 3200 mAh. So this is the exact similar size of this battery which is in the JBL Flip 3. Now I am going to replace this battery with the existing battery inside. So let's start tearing the speaker down. To tear this down, I am going to just using this tool, I am prying here, just slowly inserting and pulling the mesh, pulling out like this. That's it. Now this side. That's it. Now I can take off this mesh easily like this. Now I am going to remove these 4 screws which is here, this side. Alright, now taking the screws. Now I am going to remove this all 6 plus 6 12 screws, and this is ND series. The battery is at this side, just behind this flap. There is one more series called ND series. In that speaker, battery is inside the housing, but in this just behind the housing, just after this flap, I will show here. I will show the series as well. You can see here. Coming closer here. You can see ND is written. This ND series has screws here right round. In that TL series, screws will not be there. Just by removing these 4 screws, this flap will come out. Alright, I will change the battery of that JBL Flip 3 ND series as well. As of now, I am going to change the battery for this series. Now let's remove this. Alright, this flap will come out now just by pulling like this and lifting up. That's it. Now this is the cover for the battery. Now by removing these 6 screws, this housing will come out. Let me remove that. That's it. Now I am going to pry here so that this cover will come out. Before prying, let me remove this as well. There is a control here to turn on and turn off. Control board is here, small control board. That's it. Now I am removing this. Let me pry here. That's it. It has come out. Alright. Now I am going to take off this board as well. Slowly. Sorry. That's it. Before prying this control board, just remove this clip here so that even if the motherboard comes out, this will remove automatically. If it is closed, then the flex cable will break. That's it, it has come out. Now you can see the battery here, it is bit bulged. See, I am pressing here, you can see this is the reason how it is going. In the new battery it is very solid, you can see here it is very thin, there is nothing will go in like this. Alright, now in this ND series of JBL Flip 3, it is not required to open this base radiators and motherboard. You can just remove like this. It is pasted below, so I will pry it out. That's it. Now the cable goes here inside from this place. So I am going to remove this carefully. The best way is to remove this plastic paste and remove this reflector and take out the battery, then you can replace the battery. Alright, I will show it like that only. This is the shortcut way. So I will not show shortcut way, I will show the proper way. So I am going to remove this reflector as well. There are 6 screws for this base radiator. Alright, now let me pry this out. That's it. Now you can see this is the passage where this wire comes inside and connects to the motherboard. So the best way is to remove this pasting, take out the battery, then you can replace the battery. I am going to use this battery. This battery doesn't have the battery management system, BMS. I am going to take out this management system, battery management system, and solder here, then I will connect like this. Let's take out this connection first. There are light pasting here. That's it. Now you can pull the cable, it will come out like this. Alright, now it's time to take out this pasting here, black color pasting. Again, after replacing the battery, we have to paste it by something here to block the air, otherwise air leakage will be there, then noise will be there in the audio. That will not be the proper fix. That is the reason I said shortcut way, by without removing the pasting here, we can tear this and we can replace here as well. But while heating and removing the battery management system here, that may change the shape of this plastic body. So it is better to take out the battery and replace the battery management system board. Alright, let's remove that. I am going to take these tweezers to take off this paste. Take it carefully as you can damage the battery cable here. Alright, the battery has come out. Now little bit of this rubber part is there. Let me remove that. That's it, battery has come out. Now let me clean this hole here. Alright, now I am keeping this speaker aside as of now. Now let me take out the BMS here from this battery. Now to take that BMS, I am going to just cut this heat shrink from the upper part like this. Taking out, and you can see this specification as well. 3 volts, 3.7 volts, 3000 mAh. Model number is P763098 space 03. Alright, now you can see the bulge battery here. This is the battery, bad battery. Alright, now let's remove this BMS board. So this is the BMS board. Now we have to take out these two leads, plus and minus. Then I will put this battery plus and minus to this board. Alright, to remove that we have to give some heat using the heat blower. Let me show you that how to remove that as well without damaging the board. Now I am keeping this piece of cardboard to protect the tablecloth, as the this heat gun will give lots of heat that may melt. So apply the heat here by holding one pin. That will come automatically. Yes, you can see here one pin has come out. Now let me do the same thing to the other side as well. You can see that's it. Now this is the bad battery which I have taken from Flip 3. Then this is the new battery. The same plus and minus we have to connect. You can see this board has positive and negative, B minus and B plus. The minus of the battery will go to B minus here, and the plus of the battery will go to the B plus here. Just we can solder directly using the soldering machine. Let me do that. Now let's check the polarity of the terminals. Alright, this is plus, this is minus, because plus 3.81 volts is coming. If I change this, it will show minus 3.81 voltage. So in this case this is the positive terminal. So for reference I am going to write here as plus using the marker. Alright, now I am marking this as plus and this as minus. So in this board, battery management system, this is plus and this is minus. So like this I am going to solder. So before soldering, let me apply some lead over there. Alright, now let me keep like this and just applying the heat here. That's it. Now for this one, alright, now the BMS is fixed. Now if we check the voltage in this BMS, .81 as it was earlier, it is coming here. Alright, now we have to insulate this as it was before, like original we have to do that. Now I am going to put this previously removed from the battery. Just for safety reasons I am going to put like this. It is fitting exactly. The reason for putting this is these tapes will hold the battery in its place. It will not, if you shake the speaker, there will be no sound of wobbling like that. Wobbling sound will not come. Alright, before putting this, I am going to just insulate this. I will insulate this and come back. Now I have insulated this. To hold its place, I am going to keep this. Put this battery sellotape, and after that I am going to put this. Now let me put the tape as well here, just like this. That's it, it will hold properly. Now it's time to put this battery into the Flip 3. Now I am going to place this battery. This battery is little bit bigger than the actual batteries, but it fits perfectly. You can see here. Just I am showing the placement of the battery. This battery fits in both TL series and ND series. You can buy this battery in the new channel which I am going to launch very soon. I will share the links in the description in the near future. You can see it is positioned perfectly without any space. It is occupied the given space. Done. Now it's time to put the top cover, this one. Like this. You can see this fits perfectly 100% with the extra 200 mAh. Now let me put the screws. Before putting the screws, let me connect this control board to test the speaker with this new battery. Done. Now I am placing it. I have fixed this board. Let me insert this to the motherboard, battery cable. Now turning on the speaker. Alright, you can see there are 4 lights already glowing. That means around 75% to 80%, 60 to 80% battery backup is there already. It is charged. Let me turn off the speaker. And put the screws here. Now I have placed the screws in the position. Let me tighten it. Done. Now by placing this control board, I am going to put this that's it. Now I am going to connect the battery to the motherboard and I will position this cable as previously, and I will put the heat glue over here. Now I am going to apply the glue here. That's it. Now let me hold this for 5 minutes so that it will get dried. Alright, it is dried now. It is perfectly positioned. Now let me put the base reflector back. Done. Now it is completely airtight. Now let's put the upper cover back to its place. Just by pressing like this, it will lock itself. Now we have to put the screws. Alright, now let's put these 4 screws here. Alright, it's time to test the speaker. Let me turn on. Before that, let me show you the charging. Just connecting the micro USB to this JBL Flip 3. Now I am inserting the charging cable. You can see charging is coming. I'm showing here. Yeah, now you can see it is charging. Fifth point is blinking. Alright, now let me test the speaker as well. Turning on the speaker. Now pressing the Bluetooth button. Now connecting to the mobile. Connected. Now playing the song.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The souls we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll
Alright, speaker is working perfectly. As I said earlier, I am going to launch a new channel where I am going to sell the spare parts of most of the models of original JBL. So this battery which I have put in this speaker, I am going to sell that as well in the new channel. I am going to share the links very soon in the description, and other speaker parts as well. This Flip 3's battery is compatible for this ND series and TL series as well. That TL series, I am going to create one more video. I am going to upload one more video of changing the battery of that TL series. That is bit even complicated compared to this, because we have to remove all the speakers motherboard as well to remove the battery and insert the new battery, and the same battery is compatible for Flip 4 as well. So alright, now I'm going to put this grill back. Done. Alright, thanks for watching the video. If you like the video, please do like, share, subscribe to AudioViz 360 and hit the notification bell icon, and write comment in the comment section below. Please consider subscribing, as it will motivate me to make more of like this video. Thanks for watching again. Bye.